What's up, Internet? Senior Whoopi here, back with another unboxing, and today I'm not unboxing sneakers. This is something completely different. This is something I've never unboxed on the channel before. This is something I've never purchased on the internet before. But you've already seen the thumbnail. I've outstabbed myself with the scissors. Don't ever cut towards yourself. That was a rule I just forgot just then. But yeah, you've already seen the... my watch is telling me to move. No, I'm doing an unboxing, watch. Can't you see? But yeah, if you've already seen the title of the video, you know what's in here. Yeah. And you might be asking yourself, what the hell are you doing purchasing stuff like that? And let me just tell you, I have always been into art. I've always been into drawing. I've always been into aerosol art. I see something really cool on the top here. Tilt this camera up. And this is a company I have never purchased from before, but I've always been intrigued by. That's so cool. I'm not giving this away. I'm keeping this. This is Montoya Paints spray paint. And I don't do drugs, I don't huff spray paint. I actually draw and like do artwork. So that's awesome. This is so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna slowly pull out these items one by one. So we've got the 94 matte blue, which comes with this tiny little cap and this wonderful like finger cap on it. I'm not gonna spray that indoors, especially because I'm in a hotel room. That would just be a disaster. So let's just go through this. We've got one of the 94s in this blue color. We've got two of the hardcore in this light blue, very nice color. Oh God, there's packing peanuts in here. When's the last time you saw packing peanuts? We've got this hardcore in a gold color, which is really cool. I was hoping that would match my car and I would paint my hubcaps gold. I may or may not do that. Let's see here. Ooh, what the hell? I've got some... They gave me so much swag. Yes! So this is not from... Oh, what is that? It's a keychain. Oh, they gave me a free keychain. What? This is empty. But it still squishes down. Oh, that's so cool. It's a tiny little hardcore can keychain. That's awesome. I just gotta pull through here. Another little sticker, 25 years supporting graffiti. This is the box that some of the stuff comes in. It says 94. It's got packing peanuts. Oh God, they're going everywhere. We've got our shipping label. Yes, this is again from Spray Paint Planet. What is it? Spray Paint Planet by Montoya Colors. So this is kind of like their way to sell Montoya paints. They sell other things online, but this is how you can get your stuff to them. I guess they saw I purchased so much and I'm a first-time buyer. They want me back. They gave me like extra stickers. So I guess since I've got a few of these, there's two of these pink decals as well. Leave a comment down below if you want some stickers and you don't mind which one there is, or if you want a specific one. We've got this holofoil one and this pink one. I'm keeping at least one for myself. Oh shit. And I guess I should open up this little bag too because there's more. There's so much more. Oh my God, they gave me a bunch. Dude, what? This is the shit. Oh wow, there's a whole bunch of stickers. Okay, so yeah, leave a comment down below if you want some stickers. I've got a few that I can give away. We got some that look like this, Montoya Paints. There's a few. Oh God, they gave me like 6 of them. We get 2 of these hardcore ones. I'm keeping one for myself. I will give one away. And I did purchase some of these lapel pins because I've been kind of addicted to lapel pins here lately. And I purchased this one, which is like an old school Montoya spray paint can. They kind of looked like this back in the day with the lines on it and the multicolor like fob thing. That's so cool. Let's take it out of the bag. Might as well, right? Ooh, that's nice. It's got 2 dammits on the back. If you did not know, the back of those lapel pins, that's what they're called, because when you lose them, you go, damn it. So we got 1 lapel pin there. Oh, this is cool. Another one here. A happy little spray paint can. Look at the little smile on his face. Yellow 94 can. And I think if you purchased a certain amount, they were going to give you a free lapel pin. And this was my free lapel pin. It's like the Montoya logo, just black and silver. That's cool. I'm keeping that, not giving those away. So we've got another box. This box is full of spray paint. We'll do that one last. Oh, here's another hardcore sticker. Holy cow. Let me just make sure there's nothing else in here. We've got 1 clothing item and a box of packing peanuts. Okay. Packing peanuts aside. We'll do the jacket last. Oh God. Let me put these packing peanuts in that box. Because I'm going to pull these out and they're just going to go everywhere. This is the neon matte colors pack. So we've got green. We've got pink. Ooh. We've got purple. We've got orange. This is so freaking cool, man. Looks like yellow, but it's not. This is fluorescent yellow and fluorescent red, which kind of matches my shoes. Real close, right? Real close. Okay, camera's dying. Thankfully, this is the last box in the series. Hopefully you guys have stuck around and saw all the other videos before this where I unboxed some of my Black Friday purchases. I got some sneakers, some clothing, and other random items. I got like a Supreme item. If you didn't see those videos, I'm not going to spoil it. Definitely go watch them yourself. Oh God, there's packing peanuts everywhere. And like I promised at the end of this video, I am going to pick the camera up and show you the destruction that has happened to this room that I'm in right now. But yeah, God, shout out to Spray Paint Planet and Montoya Paints for the love. I didn't even tell them I was recording a YouTube video. I just like recorded the video. I didn't even know what was in this fucking box. This is awesome. This is freaking cool. We got more spray paint cans that I know what to do with. This will go kind of in my collection until the day I can find somewhere to spray paint legitimately, because I'm not going to go out there spray painting illegally. But yeah. Oh God, so much spray paint. Alright, put those down on the ground. That's like the heaviest thing I purchased online. And this is the last thing. This is a jacket. It says Montoya Paints on it. Let's rip into this. Ooh. Oh, it's got a nice like manufactured smell. Sometimes you buy stuff online and you're like, God, that stinks. What the hell? This smells good. Oh, cool. On the inside it says Montoya colors supporting graffiti since 1994. Barcelona. Is that what that says? That's awesome. So this is like a rainproof jacket. Oh, wow. And on the back, on the shoulder, it says Montoya Paints. So let's see if I can put this on without too much trouble. Ooh. Ooh, really nice buttons. Okay, so if you're interested in anything that I purchased today, I will definitely leave a link down below to this website where you can purchase some of these things. The spray paint cans are really cool because you can purchase individual spray paint colors willy-nilly. You can purchase whatever you want at any time and they'll ship it to you. And you can also get some that are in like a pack, like those fluorescents I got. I was picking out ones that I wanted and I was only leaving out one, but the pack to get all the fluorescents was cheaper if I got it that way. So I basically got like a can of free spray paint, which is cool. This is a really nice rain, kind of winter style jacket. I think it's just cool by itself. It's got like nice warm pockets. Ooh, it's got a like cord. I can pull it closer. It's got things for the hood. Ow, that smacked me in the face. And this, I heard about this online. Okay, let's see here. We've got 2 cans of spray paint. Come on. They didn't really advertise this, but I saw it in the reviews online. Somebody had said, it's like, yeah, this jacket's perfect. It's got places to put spray paint inside the jacket. It's like, it's a little obvious that I've got like 2 cans of spray paint on me. And if you know what this company is, you're probably like, hey, he's a graffiti artist, stop him. But yeah, this is so cool. This is so cool. I've got a big smile on my face. I am happy. I don't think anything else that I unboxed today made me this happy, but I'm also just happy to be done with all these unboxings. I'm not going to order anything else online for a long time. I've got more than enough to keep me occupied until Black Friday next year, which, depending on what's going on, I might be in a different location. I might be moving, who knows? But only time will tell. I'm stoked by this jacket. I'm stoked by all the stickers. Montoya paints. You did not know how addicted to stickers I am. And now I can like spread the love with my YouTube subscribers. So if you want anything, any of these stickers that you see here, we've got this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. There's so many stickers. I'm gonna keep all these. I'm gonna keep a running tally of like how many I got. Definitely leave a comment down below. Tell me what sticker you want. I'm gonna send some of them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and favorite. You won't get a sticker unless you've done some of those things, all of those things. I'm gonna say like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and share the video, and then you can have a sticker. That's how we play the game. But I am keeping this awesome little keychain. This is so freaking cool. I don't know where I'm gonna put this because I don't have a keychain for keys. I just have keys on my keychain. Oh, I might hang this from like my rear view mirror in my car. This is nice and short and stubby. It's not gonna like affect my view. This is freaking cool. This is freaking cool. And these lapel pins, little graffiti cans. Awesome, awesome. Okay, but now for the fun bit. Are you guys ready for this? If you have like hoarding OCD, then you might not want to see what's going on here. So we've got the table. You already know what's on the table. Stickers and junk. But look at down here. It's all the bags, all the stuff from StockX, Nike, Supreme, things like that. And oh boy, what's going on over here? We got the Tims, we got the Pumas, we got the Adidas, we got the Nikes, we got the Vans. I bought those today at the Vans store. You see? Am I pointing the camera at the right thing? Fuck, how do I camera? Oh, so fuzzy. Got boxes on boxes. My God, so much stuff. All right, now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna clean all this up. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, favorite, all that stuff. I love you. I love all of you. Thank you so much for all the support I've been getting on my most recent videos. You guys are the best. And yeah, I'm gonna do more videos like this, but I'm not gonna spend this much money for a long time. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Ta-ra.